Okay guys, how to channel here. So today I'm going to show you how to hide balance on your MetaMask. So let's get started. I'm going to open my MetaMask. Here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put my password. I'm going to unlock it now. Sorry for that, guys. Oh, I think it's network. Okay guys, so now I want to hide my balance. Sorry. My balance on MetaMask. So guys, if you look at this is where my balance is currently now. If you want to hide your balance on MetaMask, if you look at this one now, in front of your own, you're gonna see a symbol like I. They look like I. Just click on it, it's going to hide. But presently now, maybe I have not updated my MetaMask. There's not a symbol here for me to be able to hide my balance. But some of you, if you have an updated MetaMask, you're gonna see it here around here. You see a symbol that look like I. Just click on the I. Once you click on the I, it is going to automatically hide that is your balance. But well, recently on my own day, MetaMask that I have now is not available for me to hide my balance. So if you have updated your own, you may be able to hide it here by clicking on the hide. It's going to hide. You're going to click on it back, it's going to do it automatically. So it's very easy. So guys, if this video helpful, drop a comment or subscribe. If you have any comments, drop it there. See you in our next video.